Hi folks, Joe Sargent here with LustreLab LXR, the amazing 5-in-1 car care product that not only washes your car, but cleans the wheels, waxes your car, cleans the glass, and removes bugs and tar all in one. You no longer need that large basket of expensive products to take care of your car. Now, LXR is made out of acrylic, the same ingredients as your car's clear protective coating. If you look at the surface of your car through a microscope, you'll see that it has divots and fractures that continuously get worse. Dirt gets caught down in them and eventually exposes your paint and damages it, especially from sun fade and acid rain. LXR's patented formula is made out of acrylic, and every time you wash your car, it renews and repairs and fills in those divots and cracks, providing continuous protection, and you no longer have to wax your car again. You look at how rich the formula is. You use about 3 to 4 ounces per car, and you mix it real well. There's 32 ounces in a pack, and for less than $3, you get a wheel cleaner, a glass cleaner, a bug and tar remover, and a wax on your car for less than $3. You can see how rich the formula is. You want to mix it up real well. Today we're using the LXR sponge that's sold on LXRwash.com. You wash one section of your car at a time and rinse it. And LXR has a very unique formula, and as I mentioned, it bonds and repairs and renews your clear coat. And the way that you know that a formula, which we call acrylic, works is that the LXR produces a water sheeting effect. If you'll zoom in on this, you'll see that on this side of the hood, it's been traditionally waxed. Now, people have always thought that the water beads that you see over there are good and are a sign of protection. They're actually bad. Those water beads trap dirt. Every time you wax your car, you notice the next day it starts getting dirtier faster, especially after it rains. What the LXR does, it solves that problem and produces a water sheeting effect. This water sheeting effect not only eliminates the need to towel dry, in most cases, you don't have to towel dry, but this water sheeting effect, you can see how it actually would repel dirt. It creates a dirt repelling effect. After you use LXR several times and it rains, your car actually becomes clean, gets clean after the rain. So go to LXRwash.com and check out this amazing car care product, LXR, LustreLab LXR. Cleans, renews, repairs, and shines with each wash.